my god, like I don't feel like taking this makeup off. Like I really don't feel like taking this off. Like it looks so nice right now. Let's take it off. We have to take this off. Like you cannot go to bed with makeup on. Like it is forbidden. But when I realized how important it is for you not to, you know, to go to bed without makeup, to go to bed with your skin cleansed, I'm just like, oh my god. This is bad for me and it's bad for you too. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Ade. For those of you that are just watching this video for the first time, you guys are welcome. Sometimes people say, oh, your skin is so nice, or you have a lovely skin, oh, this is da. My family members always say, oh, your skin is the best. Like, I know, like, I'm feeling myself because, you know, it took me money, time, patience to get to where my skin is right now. So we're gonna get this off, and this is my method of doing this. The Clinique cleanser balm. This is so, like, it literally gets all the makeup. I mean, not all, but like it gets most of it off, like the main off. To use paper towel to, you know, just clean out the water and all this stuff. And this is the way it is right now. You see, we are not done, but they pretty much got, like, you know, most of it out, so we're not done. Like, this is the Fresh Face Cleanser, and I've really seen a lot of people use this. I've seen a lot of people use this, and I've heard a lot of things about it. Second stage of cleansing. And you just want to massage, you know, cleansing. Don't forget the airline. And don't forget your airline. So there's this rule for that I heard it somewhere, like the 30 seconds or 60 seconds rule. Whereas you wash your face, you just keep, you know, like washing for like 30 seconds. You just got 30 seconds in your mind or something. You just say it as, most times I say my out. And just don't forget the ears too. And your neck. Just rub. The second stage. At this stage, my hair, like the tips of my hair, is wet. Because the sleeves of this is wet, and that's just life. And that we are done. We are done with the cleansing, but we are not done per se, like, if you feel me. This is the one from Sephora, and yeah, this is something I'm just trying. Usually I always use the L'Oreal Pure Clay mask, this one, but I got this one recently, so I just said let me use this. It's time for self-care. This is time for, you know, to pamper yourself. This is time to, this is when you actually see, oh, I actually have this right here. Oh, how did this get here? Oh my god, I have this scar right here. This is the time you find all of those things out. So just take your time. You're going nowhere, you're going to bed, right? So just take your time. And back in 15 minutes. I use my face towel to just steam up the face and just get all of this off. Little tonic, this is a glycolic acid, and the Paulas Choice Skin Perfecting 2% BHA liquid exfoliant, which is a salicylic, yeah, I got that right, salicylic acid. So this is a BHA and this is AHA. Yeah, so this, I mix this too. This is like my treatment, and after this I really don't do too much. So I try not to use this too in the morning because this is a very sensitive acid. So even if you're using them at night, you still need to use your SPF in the morning. I am team SPF. I use this too for one reason, for some reasons. Okay, so my skin, of course, my skin is not where, it's not where I want it to be, of course, but it's better than where it was. Like, it's better than before. And I have large pores, I have blackheads on my nose, my chin, sometimes I get spots on my cheeks, and one of my biggest problem is the under eye. It's not even the darkness, because we can always conceal whatever darkness and everything, but like it's so deep that when I use setting powder, concealer, I use 3 concealers, setting powder, I can still see, like, it's still showing underneath the makeup, and it's really a problem for me. I really don't know yet, but I'm really researching. Like, I always research, I always Google, like, find out why this works for this reason and what products are, you know, really work. I just don't buy products because people are using it. I try, when I see any product is out, and I'm interested, I kind of just go on and just Google about it and see the reviews and everything, and just see if it's really for me, like for my concerns. Now, everybody's different. Like, my skin different from yours, but I feel like if you want to introduce any product to your skin, you need to take your time. First of all, you need to even be patient with your skin. Of course, I googled and see if it's possible to actually mix like the HA, the AHA and the BHA to mix together, and yes, you can. But before you do that, you actually need to just research. You need to know if your skin is sensitive. I have a combination skin, T-zone area, very oily, but I'm sure you guys can see like all over here, right here dry, but right here, oily. So yeah, so I just, you know, try and do, just sometimes I just part, and sometimes I forget myself because I don't close glue. I just part because I'm trying to like put in the treatment in, right? So just part. Don't forget the neck too. You guys can notice I have dark neck. Now this BHA really works for, you know, the deeper, trying to like work for how do I put it, like deep. It kind of like goes deep into the pores, and I've really seen a difference with this. Since I started using this, I can see that my pores, they are not as big as before. And just, like I said, this serves as my toner and serves as my treatment. I just started using this, the Estée Lauder Advanced Night Repair, and I just love it right now, honestly. Like, serums are really needed for your skin, especially at night. You can use a serum in the morning as well, but like at night it's very important, because at night there's more stuff happening at night on your skin, like the repair, all this stuff happening at night. So that's why I tend to like use, or people use more product at night. Like, just do this and just push. So right now I'm using the inklist caffeine eye cream. Honestly, the most important thing is you need to be patient with your skin. Like, most skincare, products don't work until like months or weeks after. Like, you won't see results in like a week. No. So I try to to like use my ring finger to just tap underneath, tap, and I just massage. Sometimes I try like, I feel like, makes me sleep. Just massage, I go up like that, massage. Yeah, so to what I was saying, you just need to like be patient. Be patient. Just be patient with your skin. Be patient with yourself. Like sometimes these are affirmations that I have to tell myself constantly, like repeat to these things to myself. Like repeat to myself, this is it. You have to be patient. So I use the Fresh Deep Hydration Sleeping Mask. Like I really don't know how to pronounce some things. Mask. Yeah, that's it. So this is it's almost out, but this is the way it looks like. This is the first one, which is a serum, I believe. Yeah, it's a serum. Just rub this in on your pad. You see, at this stage my face is looking like it feels so soft. Like I wish you guys can touch it, but I don't like touching my face. Like I literally don't like people touching my face because germs. So this is the way it is right now. Am I thinking of introducing some things to my skincare routine? Yes, but I'm trying to do it like gently. If you want to introduce and you're not sure of the product, you introduce gradually. So first of all, you start with once a week to just see how that product actually works. And you can, when you see then you start twice a week. Because I remember there was this product I actually started using, and I think it's, I don't want to say the name of the product, but I could tell, I was very sure that product was making me dark, like very dark. And I kind of reached out to them and was like, is my face looking dark? But they're like, oh, maybe there was something I was using with it or something. But I was so sure that I was looking so dark. So yeah, we need to pay attention to our skin. This is our skin. It's not nobody's skin. My skin, like my skin. So now I'm gonna just go with the moisturizer. This is out and I need to just stop. It's just, I told you by the time we're done, I'm looking like a grease ball. But that's okay. Because by the time you wake up, you're dry. That's that on my eye. So guys, I'm going to bed now, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to give my video a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I don't know why you guys are not subscribed to my channel. Like, I don't know, what did I do to offend you guys? Like, what is the problem? I want to know. Like, I really want to know. What is it? Like, it's not gonna take $1 from you. Honestly, it's not gonna take $1. It's not gonna take your minutes. It's not gonna take your clothes. It's not gonna take your cars. Just subscribe. Just press that button. Like, it's not gonna do anything. Yeah, that's it. Thank you. And don't forget to leave comments. I'll see you guys next week. Bye.